Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, right now I will be watching a teaser which dropped a couple of days back. This is for an upcoming Malayalam film which is called Bha Bha Ba. Bha Bha Ba. I am hoping that's how it's pronounced. How else would you pronounce it, huh? So it stars Dileep, then it stars Vineet Srinivasan, Dhyan Srinivasan, and many more. And it is directed by Dhananjay Shankar. So I was not familiar with this name. Then I found out that he has been the assistant director in Hridayam and Varshan Galika Shesham. So it's probably, I'm guessing, is essentially that same team. So yes, let's not delay this any further. Let's watch this teaser right away. So this is touted as a very big Dileep comeback. Welcome to Madness, okay? Oh, it's like the big intro we are giving.
പക്ഷെ ഇനി അവന്മാരുടെ ഒരു പരിപാടിയും പറക്കാതെ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് അവന്റെയൊക്കെ തന്തയാണ്.
Okay, Vinith has switched up his get up, looking fine.
പിന്നെ ഒരാൾ കൂടെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു സാർ.
Dhyan.
ഇവന്റെ ഈ കളർഫുൾ പരിപാടികളൊക്കെ ഷോയാണ്.
Oh, I think they belong to two different parties.
ഇനിയാണ് എന്റെ ഷോ.
There he is.
I will take you to the miraculous universe of the most wanted person you're searching for.
Oh, I think it has the feels very 90s, right?
വീണ്ടും സന്ധിക്കവരേക്കും വണക്കം.
Why do I feel like that's a reference to probably his older film? Huh? Is it? Is it? Am I right or am I wrong? Let me know. Okay. You know, initially when I had started the channel, I used to watch so many actor mashups, right? Where, you know, they were kind of tributing the actor. This actually felt a lot like, I don't know, it felt like a fanboy tribute. This whole trailer, the way this trailer is edited out, kind of feels like that. Like it's fun. You kind of build up the story, and I don't know why I felt that it has a lot of early 90s vibe. It could be just me, but the way it is picturized, the way the entire title card also comes up, it just gives that feeling. Because I think Vineet and Dhyan, they are both belonging to two different political parties or something like that, and they are the villains of the film. And maybe they have to come together to defeat Dileep. And then obviously when you see Dileep's whole intro and all of his shots, he is having the time of his life bashing all of these people. So there is this constant smile on his face. So I think this is a very unserious kind of film. So it seems to me like that they have gone all out because it says welcome to the madness. So you are going to have those massy elements, but there's going to be a lot of fun and madness attached to it. And I feel that this is going to be completely unhinged. And because this is touted as a comeback, there would be a lot of references from his older films, which I haven't watched. So obviously, if I watch this film, maybe I will not get those references. But looking at this teaser, it felt to me that it might have the older film references. And obviously, the whole look and feel is that you don't have to take this film seriously. I don't think they are also taking themselves seriously. It seems that they're having just a lot of fun making this movie, and it is supposed to be a little crazy and a little over the top. So the teaser itself is very dynamic. It's fun. You see everybody's laughing, a lot of craziness happening, there's a lot of chaos. So when it says in the beginning that welcome to the madness, that is what the crux and the core of the film is. This is what I felt watching the teaser. But because, you know, this was requested and I'm seeing like in 6 days this teaser has crossed like 4.3 million views, I'm sure there is then this huge buzz for this film, and I think a lot of people are probably looking forward to it. It didn't say, right? Does it say in the description when is it releasing? No, it does not. But do we have a date? Let me know in the comments. So yes, that was the reaction to the teaser. Very chaotic, quite over the top, seems fun, and seems to me like it's a full massy action comedy. That's what it feels like. So yes, that was it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and with that I will end this video here, and I'll see you soon on my next one. Bye.